Hey, and welcome back, guys. I'm Marquise Meda, back here at the Orlando Science Center, and I'm joined by Jenny today. And Jenny, I'll be the first one to tell you, every time I hop inside my car, right? And typically when I'm looking for directions, I just plug it into my phone, press go, and I'm following that blue little dot.
Right.
But I heard that birds are extraordinary navigators, right?
Yeah.
Not only do they have GPS tracking inside their body, but they also use the stars for navigation. So today we're talking about indigo bunting birds. Do you want to elaborate just a little bit more?
So although we don't have indigo buntings in our collection, we do have certain species of birds that are related to other species that migrate. It is astronomy month, so we are touching base a little bit regarding why we are talking about stellar navigation in birds. So I think it's really cool. With indigo bunting specifically, there were experiments done. There was an ornithologist named Stephen T. Emblem. He created these funnel experiments. So he basically was able to kind of track the process of the bird. So essentially he used a paper funnel and he got a pot with a little ink pad on the bottom and he put a star map right on top so they could see where they're going and they could track how they get there based on the ink pad and where they were trying to go based on the paper cone. So essentially they follow what's called like a celestial compass. They follow not just certain stars, but there's rotational patterns in the sky that these birds, as young little baby birds in their nest, since they're not able to fly yet, they look up at the night sky and they learn these constellations. They learn the rotational patterns of the sky based on something called the North Star, which is Polaris. So this North Star doesn't really move. It has like a pretty fixed spot, like almost in the center of the sky. And that's usually what the birds rely on to go to where they need to go. There are also different species of birds, not only just in the US, but around the world that use this celestial compass as a form of navigation, kind of like how we use Google Maps or Apple Maps.
All throughout the month of July, we're talking about astronomy month here at the Orlando Science Center. The birds, they use the stars to migrate, but there's so much more that has to do with the stars, constellations, and I want you guys to come here to the Orlando Science Center and check it all out.